Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover old chats on WhatsApp. All right, so let's begin. So to be able to recover old chats or messages, you will need to have done backups. To go and check this, you can come and you can click Settings in the bottom right, and then you can go and click on Chats. Then here, click on Chat Backup. Now, as you can see, Backup Now button is here, and I'll be able to recover messages from then backwards. But it's important to note that all the messages from now and between the date at which you back up before will be lost, as I'm rolling back to then, so just consider that. So if you're sure you want to go and continue and lose the messages since the last backup, then let's go and continue. To restore the backup, we need to go and delete WhatsApp and re-download it. Hold your finger on it. We can click on Remove App, and then we can go and delete it. Now we can re-download it. Here it is. I'll just go and install it again. I'll go click on Open, and we can go begin the setup process. And I'll share contacts and media. Let me just press Allow again. Now, as you can see, we've got this option to go and restore the backup. So we can go and recover our old messages. Let me go and click on Restore. It's now preparing, and you can go wait. It shouldn't take too long. Just like that, it's now done. And I've now gone and got those messages back from when we last did the backup. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can recover old chats on WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.